Want to create an amazing galaxy portal effect in CapCut? Let's get started. Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to make the stunning galaxy portal effect using CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the photo or video you want to keep galaxy portal effect to. Here, I am going with photo. Tap on Add. Select the photo and tap on Duplicate. Now tap on Overlay. Keep the overlay photo exactly at the bottom of the original one and click on Remove BZ. Tap on Auto Removal. Now tap on Tick Mark. Click Add Overlay. Select the galaxy video and tap on Add. Adjust the video to the frame and tap on Splice. Now tap on Darken and adjust it according to your need. Tap on the tick mark. Then go to the layers and keep the video at the second. Now tap on the tick mark. Tap on the speed and click on curve. Now search for flashing. You can even edit the flashing effect. Tap on the tick mark. Now preview the video. Once satisfied, export the project by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.